Let's go. Today I'm gonna show you the UUNA TEK 3.0 pen plotter, which I've been testing over the past few weeks. I got the A3 version, which is a great choice to create posters and designs of a decent size and still getting a machine that is quite compact and doesn't take too much space in the studio. One thing I really liked of the 3.0 is the fact that the machine comes fully assembled and it is ready to use out of the box. And this is not my first machine from UUNA TEK. I already own an iDraw H, which was a good entry point for me into plotting. So let's have a look together at some hardware features of this machine, and then I'll also show you how I use it while we run some test plots. The body combines carbon steel and aluminum, so the machine feels really solid. There's no rattling, no wobble. You can tell that it is designed to last. We have paper sizes for reference and measures, and also 4 magnets to stop the paper. Also, we have this little piece which is used for the pen to determine the pen up and down. Now onto motion. The UUNA TEK 3.0 uses high precision stepper motors. So on both axes, this is the Y and the X motor. The result is smooth and clean and very quiet. The pen holder can adapt to different type of pens, can be gel pens, markers, fountain pens, and because of this movement, it also handles like small bumps and uneven paper surfaces. So if the paper isn't perfectly flat, the machine can still deliver clean lines. Now this is the A3 size, so you get a nice working area, which is perfect for illustration, typography, posters, technical sketches, and still you have a machine which is very compact. So let's run a little test, a little plotting test, starting from illustrations I found in this old book I brought home from Japan. And I'll show you what the result is. So first of all, let's place the paper. I have a A3 sheet, and we place the magnets. And I position the pen in the 0, 0 origin. So in the software, we have different options to start from. Depending on what you want to do, you can start from a simple note, from characters. If you want to write, table, you can select different media to import. What I do usually, I start from the cut drawing, is the one that fits me best, or SVG. So with the cut drawing, I first select the format, which is A3 landscape, and then here I import my design, something I already made. And here I show you what I was showing you before with the illustrations. So I prepared these illustrations. I used Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape as well to do the image trace from a photo. And then, as you can see, when you plot, you only have outlines. So the design is made in outlines. Now I go into machine settings just to check a couple of things. I want to make sure that the pen position is 5 millimeters up and down, which means that it's touching the paper. And then I'm ready to go and I can start plotting. So I write. Now, one cool feature about the software is that we can import SVG files and split the file inside in different colors. So you can then plot different layers. In this case, at some point I stopped and I decided to change the pen. And it's also part of the process I'm trying to understand when you want to change something and just adapt to what's happening. So some final considerations on this UUNA TEK 3.0. For me, it's great equipment. I've been using it a lot and it's really easy. I've been experimenting and it's fun. I think it's a good option to enter the world of plotting, especially if you don't have or you don't want to get too much into details of how to set up things, and just makeshift stuff. So this is a ready-made solution that just works. So I think it's a good and solid option. So I definitely recommend it. And if you have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment and I'll try to answer to you. And yeah, thanks for watching.